Hey everyone, so in this video tutorial I'm going to go over how to set up your category page for the Her Exclusive theme. This will also work on a few other themes such as the Adore Me theme. So from here, let's go to your WordPress dashboard. When you first log into your site, you should see something similar to this. Now you would need to have posts already created, and those posts would need to have categories set to them and also a featured image. It is very important that your posts have a featured image. So let me show you where that is. So from here, we're going to click on Posts. If you don't have any posts created yet, go ahead and click on Add New to create a post. But from here, I already have a few posts, so I'm going to click on Edit so we can see the editor for the post. Once we arrive at the editor, this is using the new Gutenberg plugin, which this will actually become available either in November or in January. It'll actually be on everybody's WordPress site. So, but it's similar to the old classic editor as well, what we're going to look for. On the right hand side, you should see a label over here that says categories. So you can click on that drop down arrow if it's not already there. Here's where you can choose a category if you already have categories set, or you can click Add New to create a new category. You can give it a category that is similar to what your post is about, whether that's food, you can type in food, or desserts, or a DIY. For a project, you could just type in DIY and click Add New Category as soon as you do that. So for an example, I'm going to do that. So now it is set under Category 1 and DIY. The featured image I was mentioning about earlier is right here. If you click on featured image, mine already has a featured image set, but to set your featured image, you would just click where it says set featured image. It will take you to your media library. Then you choose the image that you want as your featured image. Click select. So once you have your featured image and your category set, click update. So there are two different ways where you can create a category. You can either do it within your post editor. When you're creating a new post, you can create a category. If you already have categories in mind that you want to use on your site, you can click over here where it says categories. And then you can create categories from that link. So right here is where you would just give it a name and then click Add New Category. And they will be added to the right side. So that creates your categories as well. Then when you create a post, you can choose that category within the post editor. So now let's add the category. We have the DIY set, right? So let's add that to our menu bar. So to do that, we're going to go to Appearance and Menus. Right now, with the Her Exclusive theme, it only has one menu bar. But if you have multiple menu bars, make sure you choose which menu bar you want to use. And then you would click Select. So once you have the menu bar you want to use, on the left side you will see the category label right here. So if I click on that, you can see right here it says DIY, the category we just created. I can also click on View All if you don't see the category, and it will show you every category you have. So I'm going to click on DIY. I'm going to click Add to Menu, and it should automatically place it at the bottom. Now you can move your menu categories around, you can move your menu items around by clicking and dragging on them. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to drag it up here right underneath category and my DIY. So that creates a drop down menu if I move it over to the right a little bit. I'm going to click Save Menu. Then I'm going to go to the Her Exclusive demo site. I'm going to refresh the page. If we hover over categories, there's the DIY we just created. If I click on that, here's the post, and this is what the category pages will look like. So this one, if you click on category directly on the Her Exclusive theme, it will show you all the posts that I have given the category as category 1. So for the demo, as an example, I created category 1 and category 2 as categories instead of labeling them desserts or DIYs and tutorials, stuff like that. so here's category 1 and category 2. So all the posts that I gave the category 1 shows up here. So this is an example of what your category page will look like as you fill it up with posts and featured images. Okay, thanks.